Hi, this is Mayor. Today is Thursday, October 24. I'm going to share my recap. So coming into the day, there was a lot of big gappers on my watch list. I ended up trading 4 tickers, too many tickers, over trading. And this is what I did. So American Airlines was my first trade. As soon as the stock opened, it popped up. It was up like 3% at the time, I believe. And the daily looked really good for a pop. I had a lot of good. Yeah, so the daily looked really ready for a pop. It went above all this choppiness here. It moved up, so I was really long biased on this stock. So I went in looking for a long. I was a little impatient. I did not wait for the right opportunity. I kept on slamming it long, but. So here we go. So the first popped up right away, 29.40. I went long, got stopped out here, 29.34. And then I saw that it came down, and it was coming back up here above. It went above VWAP. So I went again long, 29.24, 26, something like that. And as soon as it dropped below VWAP, got stopped out again. Then here it came below VWAP and went above VWAP. So I was like, okay, finally now it's gonna pop. I was looking for it to go to this level and then to high of day, 29.50. So I got in here at 29.23. I believe I got filled, took off on this pop, 29.40, 41. I took off a little bit, and then it came right back to my break even. So I had to get out. So this was obviously a losing ticker, losing trades. Two losers, one basically flat. I just took off 25% of that on that trade. That was the first ticker that I traded. The other trade that I did is BAX. BAX was down by 8%. So I was looking for the pullback and then looking to short it. So we got the pullback here. I didn't even see this. It pulled up and I shorted here at 79.50. It was really jerky. It was really moving all over the place. I couldn't figure it out. I was very confused what's going on. Because it was moving so wildly, so I just had partial, and then it came to my break even, so I got out. I couldn't really watch this really. Ended up being it did come down all the way to 77, but it flicked through my break even here, and the spread was very bad, so I made a little bit of money on this. PayPal was my best trade. Actually, it was my last trade. I did Twitter. Twitter was a mistake too. It was a little impulsively. Andrew here, Andrew called it out from PayPal Trades. He called it out his shorts. I kind of followed him, but it really was not a good trade because it was down 18% already. And the level 2 was really stacked. It was absorbing at this 31.20, absorbing. So I knew it's going to either, there were big asks. I knew it's either going to crash through or it's going to pop up very, very bad. So I got out. I got out right away here, break even. Turned out it was a long. Here it popped once, then it consolidated, then it popped again, even higher. So this was another trade, basically break even. And here, my final trade, which actually saved me from a losing day today, ended up green, is PayPal. So PayPal was up 8%. Here was the sell-off. So this was profit taking in my opinion. As soon as it saw it was making higher lows, it came down and made higher lows. So here I got involved at 104. It was a whole dollar. I got filled at 104 and change. I was a little impatient. I took a little bigger size. I'm not completely comfortable with it, and it broke the 104.90. So I was afraid that it's going to crash back down to. It's going to dump back to the low of day, so I got out. But then I saw that it's holding the 105 level, so I got back in at 105.05 and change, and this was a very nice move. Covered some at 30, covered more at 50, covered more at when it broke through 50, more at 70, more out here at 80. Then it was coming back down to this level and kept on being knocked down. It was heavy on this pop-up, so I had a really tiny piece left, so I got all out. So this was my day. It was a tough day, a lot of choppiness. I'm glad I survived, but it's been a little choppy for me lately. Trying to get back. I took a week and a half off trying to get back into the groove of stuff. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, appreciate it. Leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Have a wonderful day.